Knee joint pain, we all know, is mostly because of osteoarthritis in old age. But osteoarthritis is not the only reason. There are so many reasons because of which the knee pain can start. Now, if I want to show you, this is your knee joint and it has two bones, and also there is a patella bone above it, and in between these three bones we have cartilage. As we age, the cartilage degenerates. The more it degenerates, the more pain starts off. But apart from this cartilage loss or arthritis, the other supporting structures like the ligaments and the muscles and the soft tissues can also play an important role in causing pain. So especially if you are young and if you have knee joint pain, get yourself evaluated with ultrasound scan. Why we do ultrasound scan is because we can see if there is any fluid collection, if there is inflammation in the bursa causing bursitis pain, or if there is any tear in your ligaments, or if there is any soft tissue injury. Sometimes any fat inflammation or any soft tissue inflammation can also cause you pain. So don't worry if you have knee joint pain, get yourself evaluated from a pain physician, get an ultrasound scan done, and once the scan reveals what are the findings, accordingly there are so many treatments. So what are the treatment? First is rehab, very important, exercises. Then lifestyle modification. Lifestyle modification is very important because these are degenerative changes that happens as we are aging. So weight reduction, activities, mobility, joint stretching exercises are very important. You have to avoid your sedentary lifestyle at any cost. Include good food which are rich in anti-inflammatory, like those rich in omega-3 fatty acids like walnuts, chia seeds, and if you're a non-vegetarian, even salmon and fishes. Foods which have high fiber content like your vegetables, greeneries, then your fruits. These are very high rich fiber content. Try to avoid sugar, refined carbohydrates. And after the lifestyle modification, you also need to understand if there is a good amount of damage, then opting for a cell-based therapy to naturally regenerate your cartilage or heal your damaged tissue. And most of you get scared when the surgeons tell you that you have to go for surgery. Surgery in the knee joint is not an emergency surgery. If you follow the steps of weight reduction, good diet, lifestyle modification, exercises, definitely surgery will be a no in your future. So if you have knee joint pain, you don't need to worry, you just need to evaluate yourself.